Good morning, guys, and welcome to the Storm morning meeting. It's the 27th of August, 2021. Just to go through a couple of news headlines, we've pretty much got a couple of geopolitical risks out there with regards to Kabul. Joe Biden coming up and not really saying that he's going to do too much more and carry on pulling guys out of there. You've got some China news with China clamping further down on some of their cultural online presence. This morning, just to have a look, a little bit of a snapshot of where we're at. I think markets are pretty much, hovering around. I think not too much happening until we've got some clarity out of Jackson Hole. You've got Tencent down a little bit. You've got Billy's flat. Gold price and commodity count is a little bit stronger here this morning. S&P futures up 9. Rand's pretty stable. Nothing really too much that's showing any cracks or trading opportunities that are pretty clear to us. So I think similarly in terms of our trading ideas, they are a little bit limited this morning. I think we're going to wait for a little bit more clarity on later. Maybe have a look at one or two indicators. So looking at one or two of the indicators, I think the dollar is one that sort of will give us a little bit of indication in terms of the commodity markets and where's next. Sort of hovering around 93 at the moment, 92.90. Break below here brings in the 200-day 92, which could happen quite quickly, and then we could have further weakness play out, in which case we'll probably have quite a decent bit into EM. Gold will be an interesting play. I think this is the focus that we'll have later. We're going to do a little bit of a roundup in terms of what we think of golds going into Jackson Hole and post that. Might have a snap reaction one way and the real move might come the other way. But we'll keep you guys posted on that. So not too many day trading ideas. I think yesterday we had Woolies, which was a little bit disappointing. Seller definitely around. We might get another chance today. It did hold in and there was a buyer that came in at about 59.80, 60 that held in quite well there. Let's watch our trades today. A bit of frustrating. I think this might have to just base build and digest for a little while until a bigger move. We had quite a frustrating day also out of MCG, but I think if you look on the bigger chart, with regards to some of the reassurance that this Nigerian fund isn't too bad or was halved, that 115 has to be cleared. So this might be an entry if anyone's looking for a short there. Not one of our trades of the day, but just recapping yesterday. And then, I think maybe the golds. I think Anglo Gold, there was decent. They're quite bid up this morning, so maybe a bit of a scalp. I don't think you've got risk reward. I think at 242, I don't think there's too much downside in Anglo Gold at the moment. 252 is sort of the 252 is the 21-day moving average. So, maybe have a little bit of a punt on that on the long side as the trade action was pretty decent. And then maybe let's keep a close on Standard Bank. Standard Bank's traded really, really, really well. I think it's getting ready to really break out. I think if we can get above 150, I think this is one of the banks that has lagged, and I definitely think can get on the front foot going forward. So those are ideas this morning. We will come up with a bit of a game plan for later. Good luck today. Trade well.